everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make a cheesy, easy broccolini pasta. Ingredients are simple: broccolini, mushroom, cooked lentil pasta, garlic, jalapeno peppers, no oil added marinara sauce, and actually bunch of grape tomatoes, which I forgot to show it in this recipe, this ingredient list. But going back to the broccolini, it's a cross between broccoli and Chinese broccoli, and hence we have the long stems like Chinese broccoli and small florets like traditional broccoli that is grown in predominantly US and some European countries. The benefits of eating vegetables, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, fenugreek leaves, any kind of greens which have intense little bit of bittery flavor is the anti-cancerous compounds that are found in these veggies, along with vitamin A and C and fiber. Now, some of you have asked me why I do not give away a recipe. That is because I do not cook by using a recipe. My goal of doing these videos is to help you build your culinary muscle. What I mean by that is learn the cooking techniques, flavors, and get ideas, and then customize it based on what you have in your refrigerator. For example, let's say this pasta. Now, I didn't really grew up eating pasta, but I decided to do this because I have access to pasta today. And this recipe is a tribute to the success of my patient Laura, who has reversed her diabetes and ditched her Ozempic medication and almost all the medications, and have lost lots of inches and weight by eating this type of pasta dish. That's why I decided to make this dish using pasta. Now, make sure you watch that video to actually believe what I'm saying. But anyway, so if you guys don't have pasta, don't worry. Switch to any whole grain. If you live in a region which does not grow broccolini, well, like I said, I didn't grow up eating pasta or broccoli. Then feel free to use any regional cruciferous vegetables that you may have. You can substitute the mushrooms with onions or shallots. You can use crushed tomatoes instead of marinara sauce. You can use any other kind of jalapeno or substitute that with dry red chili flakes. Now, sky is the limit, everyone. Open the refrigerator or the pantry and just get going. Okay, so now let's really get going here. So we are going to start by sauteing the garlic. Make sure the garlic is hitting the heat and releasing that garlicky aroma. Then you are going to add your broccolini, mushrooms, sprinkle the broth as needed, and then in the end stir in the tomatoes and just put everything together and sprinkle with the cheesy all-purpose topper powder that there is a recipe for it with nutritional yeast and pumpkin seeds. Just look for that, or you can sprinkle with just plain nutritional yeast. And again, if you don't have nutritional yeast, just add some roasted pumpkin seeds or any other seeds that you may have in the region that you live in. So that's pretty much I have for this broccolini pasta. It's easy and it's cheesy. So perfect weeknight dinner. Again, please reach out for any questions like you always do. Please share this video or comment and stay in touch, and I will talk to you guys soon.